Okie dokie. And here I am again. Today I'm going to be putting in an outside faucet and I'm going to be connecting it right here. I'm going to show you, I have another video on how I got from the main water line to right here for a refrigerator line, which I'm going to connect to above the floor. Thing is, I've actually went out to the water meter and shut the water meter off out here. Now we're going to come inside here. Here's the pipe I'm going to be working on. Once I cut this, water is going to go everywhere for a few seconds. So I'm going to go get a towel and place that towel down, but this is the pipe I'm going to be cutting, and these are all the tools I'm going to use. I'm going to use this to drill a hole through the wall, outside and inside, to get through this wall. I'm going to use these crimp rings right here. I'm actually going to be installing a shutoff. I'm going to use this T. That'll be in a separate video, that shutoff, so stay close. Here's the rings that I'm using, and I'll show you the barcode on that. This is all from Lowe's. Okay, and then you're going to use the crimp tool and the pipe cutter, the PEX pipe cutter, and this is the valve. This was in the PEX aisle with all the PEX fittings and with these shutoffs actually. This is a water spigot, an outside faucet. Okay, we've got the towel set down here. Now I'm gonna pull this pipe up because in the last video, I drug this pipe over here and left some extra. Well, this is why I left the extra, so I could pull this up like this. And what I'm gonna do is cut into this pipe. And I need a T over about right here. So when you're cutting this stuff, put that on there and go gently back and forth and cut until it cuts through, okay? Now we've cut this off. Put one of these rings on first. Put a ring on before you insert, okay? And put another ring on this end. Because you want to make sure they're not way up here and they're not too far down low or cockeyed. You want them straight and almost, you know, at the bottom of the pipe. Shut off for the outside spigot for the winter time. That way it won't freeze. And I have the shut off here for the refrigerator line. And I also have a video that I'll link at the end of this one on how I got this refrigerator line from here from the main water line. So okay, so what I need to do now is I need to drill a hole for my outside spigot. So let's go ahead and drill that hole. I want it drilled out right here.
Oh, you found the extender!
So my mechanic tool's going on to drill this hole because the wall is super thick. So
there you go.
We're gonna drill a hole out today.
All I'm doing now
is getting a piece of pipe that's as long as that drill bit. Put a ring on it before you insert. What I'm doing here is I'm actually going to cut this pipe to fit. Put a ring on it and then insert it.
first I gotta do
caulking and things like that. But this is what this looks like. And I'm gonna go turn the water back on and check for leaks, hook up my water hose, and see how this works.
on now.
That the water's on. If this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to my channel if you like home improvement videos.